Hello students and welcome to my channel MK Tutorials. In this section, we are going to study the first chapter of biology from 11th standard, that is living world. Students, planet Earth comprises of biotic and abiotic components. So when I'm saying a biotic component, I'm obviously meaning about living organisms. Now there are lot of diverse variety of living organisms around us. Say for example, we are having animals, we are having fishes, we are having insects, we are having humans, mammals too. So in this section, we are going to discuss what exactly are the properties which are possessed by a living organism and organisms. So basically here we are going to do a difference between a living thing and a non-living thing, but on a specific defining property. So let us start. The basic feature of life. So since we have done this from our school section, we are aware of this statement: dash is a basic unit of life. Correct. So cell is a basic unit of life, and all the life forms, all the living organisms are made up of a cell. So it's not only a cell. So when we go step by step, we'll see this single cell is undergoing to form a cellular organization. Now you all are aware of what exactly is a cellular organization. That will be a cell, too many cells coming together to form a tissue, too many tissues coming together to form organ, and too many organs coming together to form an organ system. So a living being or a living organism is completely made up of a cell. That has been our first basic principle. The second basic principle of life. So if living being is born or produced, obviously it has to survive. Correct. So survival being our second basic principle as a defining property for a living being. Now if it is produced, it has to survive, and for its survival it requires energy and chemical molecule. Yes, so obviously if you want to survive, you can't stay without food, right? You can't stay without water. Correct. So for survival, we need energy and chemical molecules. In short, here basically we are talking about metabolism. Now what is metabolism? It is all the chemical reactions happening inside a living organisms. So those metabolisms can be your breathing, can be your respiration, can be your digestion, etc. Third. The third property is growth. Now, growth, every living cell or every living organism show this growth. But how can we say something to be is having a growth or is growing? If a particular cell is increasing in size, is increasing in mass, and possess number of cell, then we will call that life form to possess a growth. Now if we compare this property with any non-living form, say for example a table or a chair, do they show growth? Is there any increase of size, mass, or number of cell in their body? No. So growth is going to be a defining property for a living organism. But I like to add one thing in this. Growth is actually an irreversible process, and it is available only till a particular limited time span. So simultaneously with time, there will be loosening of the effective workings of your body parts, and there will be an aging process happening. The fourth important basic principle of life is reproduction. Yes. So to keep the continuity of the life, to keep the continuity of the life, the living being produces the young one of itself. That process is done with the help of reproduction. Now reproduction, we are having two types in reproduction, that is sexual and asexual. We'll discuss about it in detail later. The last and at most a very important basic property possessed by a living organism is respond to stimuli. That is, we all living organisms living in a particular environment, living in a particular surrounding, we react to particular thing. Say for example, someone is coming and hitting you. You're not going to keep quiet. Obviously, you're going to react to it. Correct? So all the living organisms are having respond to the stimuli. Respond to the stimuli means we are aware of our surrounding, we are aware, we are conscious of our environment, and we react accordingly. So that's for today's section. If you like my teaching, if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.